Welcome back. You're watching Ask Profit right here on NDTV Profit. And if you haven't already, do start sending in your queries on the WhatsApp number that's flashing on the top of the screen. You can also call us, speak to us directly on your stock-related query as well. The next one that's coming in is on E2E Networks, and it's a short-term view. So let me welcome in Ajit Mishra, the SVP Research at Religare Broking as well. Ajit, welcome to the show. What would you recommend on E2E Networks? Now, our viewer Sarthak is holding 675 shares, bought at 2792. Should he continue to hold for the next 6 months?
Yeah, good morning, Puneet. So, Puneet, it's been almost like, 1.5 years of volatile swings that the stock has been experiencing. Downside 1800 is the immediate base, where 3400, 3600 is the hurdle area. We were very close to the upper band of late after this recent surge of or a rebound. Today, we are seeing that the stock is down by roughly around 8%. Volumes are okay. We feel that this kind of volatility is difficult to handle if the view is very short term. And since his, time horizon is 3 months to 6 months, I guess he can continue to hold his long positions. 2200 is now the immediate base. So with that as a stop loss, positionally he can hold with 3700, 3800 as a positional target.
Okay, all right. So that's the view with regards to where E2E Network stands. We've got our next caller, Ram is calling.
And Meenakshi has a stock query for us. Meenakshi, a very good morning. Welcome to the show. What's your question?
Yeah. Good morning, sir. Actually, I'm holding Ola Electric shares, 200 shares at the rate of 102.8. I just wanted to know whether I can hold it or put the loss, sir. Thank you.
Got it, Meenakshi. You to say that it could be something to look at after whatever has happened. But Ajit, I can't let you off the hook with this one. Your view on Ola Electric, is this the bottom?
Puneet, I see this as a gradual or a grinding decline. Stock is at the record lows. If you form a channel joining us to major lows, maybe close to around 22, 21 is the area where it might find support. But are we going to see a very strong recovery post that? It's still very doubtful, because we are still seeing decent volumes during decline. So those people who are stuck at higher levels earlier, they were anticipating a bit of a relief. I guess they are liquidating their position. So maybe around 22, 21, it might witness a breather. 30 is going to be the very strong resistance area in the immediate future. So in case if it manages to cross that barrier and move toward, let's say, 35, 37, considers liquidating their position.
Okay, all right. So that's coming in on Ola Electric. We've got our next caller. Sujal is calling us from Bengaluru. Sujal, hi. A very good morning to you. What's your query about? Seeing more queries on the other side, so do stay tuned. Here at NDTV Profit, I take up the next question, which is from Naga Babu, who's writing us from Andhra Pradesh. He's holding Fed Bank Financial Services at the levels of 136. He's got 136 shares at an average price of 140. He wants to know if he can continue to hold this, and if he wants to add, what are the levels that he should add this counter at? Ajit, your view?
So, Federal Bank Financial Services, we are seeing that the stock has been consolidating in a range. Tone looks positive overall. Even at current levels, we feel that the upside is going to be gradual. So, it means in the range of 130, 35, that could be the probable range, with stop at 120 and positional target of 155 to 160.
Got that view, Ajit. But the next question that's coming in is actually on UPL. A short-term view, Ajit, is what our viewer is actually asking. Soma Sekhar from Bengaluru, holding Tata Steel at 181. So currently in a decent profit. Should he continue to hold?
So in fact, Puneet, the metal as a pack is still witnessing rotational buying. Some of the names like Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Jindal Steel. So definitely it should stay put. Now the trading stock should be at 200, where we have seen a decent phase formation. In the next leg, let's say about 212, the stock can gradually inch toward 220, 225 levels. So if the view is short term around that area, I can consider booking some partial profits.
All right, so that's me coming in on Tata Steel. The next question is from Raghu. He's currently holding a long position in BEL with an average price of 263. 5 rupees and 100 shares is what he's holding. He wants to know if he can hold or sell. Ajit, your view on the charts for Senco Gold?
So remember, extreme volatility is what the stock has been experiencing for almost 4-5 months. 250, 360, broadly that's the range. Currently, we are in the middle of the band while holding below the long-term averages. So possibly attempt on recovery towards, let's say, 40, 45 is still possible. But a sustained move seems difficult considering we have multiple resistances around 355, 360 area. So use any recovery to reduce your position. In the interim, maintain a stop at 310.
Got that view, Ajit. But next question is on SKF India in that space as a whole. But what would you recommend, Ajit, in that sense, because he's sitting on a loss of almost 2.8 lakh rupees. Does it give any indication of coming back to some of those elevated levels of where he would have bought it? What would you recommend Anish to do?
So Puneet, yes, it's underperforming, and in fact, the recent attempt of recovery also failed out, at multiple occasions. The only silver lining is that the last time the area closed around 230, 35 from where it has rebounded. Same after this recent retest, we are seeing bit of a breather and consolidation. So probably we may see a rebound attempt again towards, let's say, 280, 290 zone. And in case if it manages to surpass this level, then probably 340, 350 is also possible in this rebound. So in my opinion, until we break this support zone, we should definitely continue to stay put. So 230 should now be his, stop loss for this position. And about 290, he can trail his stop loss to 250. And wait for 340, 350 and reevaluate his position again.
Okay, all right. So that's you coming on Prince Pipe. But Avinash as well as Ajit, it's time for a rapid fire round. Try to keep your answers as short as possible. The first question is from Soumya, who's writing us from Bengaluru, asking about Ashoka Buildcon. Is this the right time to buy, Ajit?
Avoid.
Aegis Vopak, Avinash, bought by Harjit at 228. Stocks up 9% today. What would you recommend?
Yeah, I think continue to hold.
Okay, 2,000 shares of NCC bought at the levels of 150. Can I continue to hold or sell? Ram is asking from Hyderabad. Ajit, your view?
Hold with stop at 140.
The next question is coming from Mohan. He's holding Jubilant Foodworks at 555. Avinash, what would you recommend?
Yeah, continue to hold.
Okay, Moshchip is the next one. Prabhakar wants to know if this is a good time to make an entry into this counter. Ajit, your view?
Maintain strict stop at 188 for 225 to 30 as position targets.
Sandhar Tech, Ajit bought at 565, holding 120 shares as Prasanna. Should he continue to do so?
Hold.
Okay, Dixon Tech is the next one. Kajal from Maharashtra is holding 6 shares at the levels of 18,290. She's sitting on a loss of 45,000 rupees. Can she continue to hold from a long-term perspective, Avinash?
Yeah, continue to hold.
Is it a good time to enter Hindalco, Avinash?
Yeah, I think from a longer-term perspective, yes.
Okay, the next one is on Force Motors. Bhanu from Hyderabad wants to know if he can enter right now from a short-term perspective. Ajit?
Maintain stop at 22,000 for 27,000, 28,000 as the position targets.
Novartis India, V. Nagaraj has actually bought at 635, Avinash. He's asking if he should continue to hold or, book some profits now that post the announcement of the stake sale.
No, I think he should hold on. I think probably he could get a better price to exit.
Okay, Vikrant Engineering is the next one. Seeman from Bhopal is asking if he can continue to hold this for the next 6 months. Ajit, your view?
Better to exit.
Next one is on Thomas Cook, bought at 183 by Gautam, who's a regular viewer. Ajit, what should we do for the next few months?
Use recovery to reduce. In the interim, maintain stop at 100.
Okay, 50 shares of M&M bought at the levels of 3470. Can I add more or sell? I know Avinash's view, but Ajit, your view on the chart?
Yeah, you can add more.
Bank of Maharashtra at 56, held by Tejas. Avinash, what should we do?
I think he should continue to hold.
Okay, the next one is on Paradip Phosphates. Is there a reversal that we can expect from here for the next 1 month? Ulus is asking this question. Ajit, your view on the chart?
Extreme oversold, rebound likely, but upside seems capped. So maintain stop at 110 and 132, 135, review the position.
Nitin has actually bought Union Bank shares at 165, but Avinash is holding 46,000 shares. Should he continue to do so, book some profits now?
Yeah, I think some profit booking advisable, rest he can hold on.
Well, got that view, Avinash as well as Ajit. Thanks so much for joining in and helping us solve all those stock-related queries at the end of the rapid fire as well as this edition of Fast Profit. And we've been able to solve 55 queries. So thanks so much to both of you. If we have missed your query, we will start taking all of them at 2 p.m. in our Ask Profit, the afternoon edition. To do, stay tuned for that. But thanks so much for joining in. A lot more action on the other side.